everyone, this is Pete of Athena Gaia. Today is packing day. We got 20 pieces of Yoda Cristo in last night. We got another 40 in today, so I'm going to be here for a while packing things and getting them on their way to you. But I thought I'd take a second to show you how that's done. We have in my hand right here a Meadow Breeze large stone band ring. Typically with any piece, we're going to put it into a Ziploc bag so that no oxidization, no water, no moisture can get to it along the way. That gets wrapped up into a jewelry buff cloth, our own personalized one, and we tuck in a certification card in there too. This will say everything about the piece, when it was made, who made it, what the metals in use were, and any stones, they're there too, but that's our certification card. That gets wrapped over, so it looks like that, and then it gets put into our leatherette bag. So it winds up looking like that. So for everybody out there who's like wondering, you know, how do these things get wrapped up? Are they good to give as gifts, stuff like that? Yeah, pretty much when you get this, it's ready to be given as a gift. Anyway, from here, we also add in a personalized note from us. And then we put it in paper. So basically, we're looking for ways to save on paper. We don't like wasting paper. If we can avoid it, we avoid it. We used to have a way that we crumpled up a whole lot of paper to use as like sound deadening or like stuffing into a box so that nothing would move around. But that took up about 3 times as much paper as this method, which we just basically make like an envelope out of something. And then put it into a box and squeeze it down tight. We've got our little label that we put on there. So makes the whole thing kind of look nice, right? The rest of it is just making sure that nothing starts floating away and starts rattling around or making any noise. And that is pretty much that. That's how something gets wrapped. So I only have to do that 60 more times today. I hope you're also having a good day and enjoy your summer.